A perfect day is when I can help other children who have gone through what I went through and show me that there is still beauty in the world.
On November 19th to 20th, 2025, Moving Minds Alliance convened Nigeria's first National Consultative Meeting on Early Childhood Development in Crisis. A historic step to ensure that even in the most challenging circumstances, every child has access to nurturing care and opportunities to thrive. Government leaders, civil society, refugee-led organisations, media and international partners gathered to deepen understanding of Nigeria's ECD landscape and chart a path forward for the youngest children in crisis.
The military is happy that we're not just looking at the concept of early childhood development, we're looking at it in terms of emergency. And for us also, we see some level of multi-sectoral collaboration. Education, I heard my director from education speaking. Education is here, health is here, finance is here, budgeting is here. So it's good to drive this process from a multi-sectoral angle if we must deliver early childhood development in emergency. And also bringing those emergency components to be part of this conversation. And why is this important? So we have a plan. Every sector will have a plan that reflects early childhood development in it. Their strategic plan must reflect and which must be costed to implement to the last mile.
I think we can all agree the why is clear. Today we are here to focus on what we can do collectively to make that reality come true. Let me underline a few key facts. In 2023, Nigeria was among the top global recipients of foreign aid for early childhood development in crisis and conflict settings. Number 2 in development funding, equating to $270 million. Number 5 in humanitarian funding, $27 million. And most of that funding went to very essential and critical health and nutrition, but very little devoted to early learning, responsive caregiving, and psychosocial support. And with global aid now expected to drop by at least 30%, Nigeria could lose nearly $89 million in ECD-related support within the next 2 years alone.
The theme for today's event is very important. I've been speaking with some of us outside here, and I said to them, I came from the academics, and I know what early child development is all about. Going by the theory of Sigmund Freud and John Piaget, if you know psychology very well. So I know that early child development is very key. For you to get a society, you must start from the children. So Moving Minds Alliance, for you to come up with this, I think is very brilliant. And I encourage you to move ahead. We are there for you, in case you have any need for us. And for the partners, those of you partnering with them, please take it very seriously. It's not a speech-making program. It is something that should be activity-leading. Let us be impactful. We'll do the programs, we'll have the impact, so that we'll see the results. As a ministry, that is what we're looking for from all the INGOs. And I'm sure that Moving Minds Alliance will not be an exception.
That the issue of solving the problem in early childhood education is not what the government can do alone. It's still a collective issue. Development partners, private sectors, governments will all join hands together, and by so doing, we give Nigerian children a better future.
Some of these children were in various IDP camps. We saw 2 children, young, less than 6-7 years old, who by 12 noon didn't really want to eat on the day we visited. And they were struggling to have something to cook, only had water. They didn't even know what to put in the water. Some of these kids deserve the very best. But until we experience it, until we share the facts that you have, nobody knows what you are doing. And that is why this partnership is very, very important. And I bring you the message from our colleagues all over the world that we will always be there with you. Let us work together, let us move together, and let us share this message very wide so that those who are deserved to hear must hear and the implementation must be followed up.
We launched our most ambitious strategy yet, designed to respond to evolving humanitarian needs and strengthen financing and policy for early childhood development in crisis. We heard directly from a young advocate who was displaced at just 3 years old. Her story reminds us why early childhood development in crisis is not optional, it's life-saving. We also engaged in crucial conversations on domestic financing, inclusive policies, and building systems that strengthen the delivery of holistic nurturing care for children caught in crisis and displacement. Through a collaborative systems thinking workshop, participants identified barriers, solutions, and a shared vision for early childhood development in crisis. These insights will inform the development of a roadmap for coordinated action from 2026 to 2028. As we concluded this 2-day National Consultative Meeting, we identified champions, amplified the Act for Early Years campaign, and connected with strategic media allies to ensure early childhood development remains at the centre of national discourse. This meeting marks the beginning of a movement, one that places early childhood development at the heart of crisis response and recovery.
Our goodwill is simple but sincere. May this partnership deepen, may our shared commitment remain steady, and may the work we do together continue to restore dignity, protect childhood, and strengthen communities. Thank you.